Hello, welcome to the class of Wireshark. Today we are going to discuss how to quickly apply a filter in Wireshark. So if you want to apply a filter quickly in Wireshark, you have to know the two option, that is apply as filter and prepare as filter. So first of all, I'm using these filters over the HTTP session. So I have captured some HTTP packet here, and to use this filter, I am expanding in packet detail pane this hypertext transfer protocol. So in this, as you expand this further, so you will yes, you will get to know that there are two options like request method, request URI, request version. So these are the options. By using these we can quickly apply the filter over this. So selecting this, that is we are here the user requesting for a main page. So as we select this packet, so by going into detail, so as we want to apply here a filter, quickly apply a filter here. So we must know about these two options, apply as filter and prepare a filter. So in this option we are applying a filter or prepare a filter quickly. So let's discuss the difference between these. So in apply as filter, this option will create and apply the filter at the moment, whereas in a prepare a filter, in this option it will put the new filter in the display filter box but doesn't automatically apply to a trace file. So for that we have to click over to the apply option for applying that filter to the packets. So as we are using this request URI, so as I click over to this and then to the apply as option, then go to selected. So as I selected this, you can see in this filter dialog box it display the filter http.request.uri equals to slash. So here the slash indicates that the user wants to download the main page of the website. So here in these packets, here users requesting for the main page. So that's why as we apply this filter, as we select this filter, it's filter out the packets where users requesting for the main page. So as you clear this expression and again you want to apply a filter over the HTTP session, you have to get this packet first and next you have to go to this packet. So as here I expand this, after that you want to apply the filter over this request method get. So as you select this, right click, then to apply as filter and select it, click over to the selected option. So here you can see that here the packet which are displaying have the get request message here. So each packet containing the get request message. So that's why here these filter out the packets which having the get request. So http.request.method equals to get. This is the filter which is quickly applied by the Wireshark. So after that, if you don't want to see the filters, don't want to see the request where the user request for the main page, so you just select, firstly you have to filter out the HTTP packets as we're applying this filter over the HTTPs. So select one particular field. After that you have to go to packet detail pane. Here as you don't want to see these packets over here, and so you have to select here not selected. So you can see here this explanation marks here denotes that these packets are not displayed over here. So this means these packets where we use the not is known as the exclusion filters, because we exclude these packets from the trace files. So here you can see that it displays the TCP packets and doesn't display any HTTP request method. So next to it, just clear it and filter out some HTTP packets. So next week, if you want to make an expression by using this filter, you just click over this, click apply as filter and select this. So it will get this packet, filter this packet as. So if you want to create the expression, you just again select this as you want these messages also with the get request, the packet with the get request. You just click apply as filter and then to the and selected or selected and not selected or not selected. As you click over this and selected, see here you can see that here it's show http.request.uri equals to slash and http.request.method equals to get. This means it will display the packets with the request of main page and having the get request also. So here you can see this these packets contain the request for the main page as well as it contain the request message also. So same way if you apply here, so as I delete this, click over to the apply, so again it will display the other packets also. So as I selected from here the next option, like apply as filter and or selected. So as I apply over it, you can see that it will display these HTTP request URI equals to slash. It means it will display the packets where user making the request for the website, or it also display the packets with the get request. So here you can see that the number of packets increases as compared to the previous expression. As here we are using the expression or, in that filter we have used the expression and. So you can again see that as I click over to this option and click over to the apply, it will display the few packets. So next filter, the next option which we have discussed here, prepare as filter, it will work as like clear this, filter some HTTP packets, go to the requested packet. So as I click over here for the prepare as filter and I have selected this filter, so you can see that here it's display the filter in the filter dialog box but doesn't apply this filter. So as I click over to the apply, then this filter will take the action to filter out the packets according to this filter syntax. So you can see that how we can use these option apply as filter and prepare as filter to quickly apply the filter in Wireshark. Thank you.